Hi guys, welcome back. Let's go and try something about a string. We learn all of its commands, modifying them and everything we have. But let's go and create a program that take a string input from the user and reverse it. How we can create it? Okay, let's go and see how we can create it. Let's see. We add a code space. Before that, we have some algorithms for solving the problem, but this is a mini exercise and not a mini project. We don't need any algorithm for it. We just need to have an input. Let's say we call it A input, and we know it's a string. We know it. And after that, we are going to reverse it. How we can reverse it? If you learn about for, I think we don't learn about for, but if you learn about for, we can write it to how to reverse it. But if you don't learn about for, it's all about the tricks you learn about your string usage. What trick? I write it here. Let it go. Do you know anything about this command and what it's do? Let's write it here. For example, let's write a string. Let's say str, and it's going to give us RTS. What is it doing? Let's jump and see what is it doing and how it's functioning. Let's just try to see how this line of function is working. Create a new code line. We create an S and call it SLO, for example, or solo. And we paste it here. It gives us the reverse of it. But let's see how it works. When we delete one of it, it gives us what? It gives us everything minus one of the parameters. And if we delete one of them, it gives us only the one parameters. We learn about this, but how it is reversing them? Let's see. If we delete minus, what happened? You see, this is a new comment. It's structural or like the comments we learned, but it's new and it's not important. It's not important for you to learn it completely, but I just give you this tutorial here to tell you that there are many comments that many functions that they are useful and make it easy for you to use. We can only reverse this by this little line of code, but if we want to write it by for, when you learn about for, I will give you a time to write it. For example, if you want to write it with for, it's gonna take a lots of time and more than 20 line of codes. But we have one function that do all the works, and as easy, as beautiful as you can see. And it's good for you to ask and find how you can do the things. For example, we have a problem how to reverse a string in Python. Just ask it and we have our answers here. See? Someone before solved them. It's good to solve these problems by yourself, but searching sometimes is the best answers comes by searching. If we're going to try to write it by ourselves, it's maybe take a while, and also our code is don't like neat like this code. This is very beautiful and amazing how easily he write it or she write it the code. Okay, this lesson is a little quick ended. Why? Because I want to tell you about concepts of learning. not about programming. But in the next lesson, we are going to write some of the best string mini projects, or we will wait until 4. I think we will wait until we learn 4, and after that we are going to write many projects for you to have a better understanding of your coding. Have a good time. Don't forget to like and subscribe.